Hello, this is me, ALIRAZA. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, Bing Ad certified advertising professional, as well as an owner of a Google Partner company. And today I'm here with a new question. So let's get started with the question I have today. And the question is, Dear Ali, I am currently managing a search ad campaign for a client in the online graphic designing industry, utilizing a new AdWords account. That's very good. Their daily budget is set at $200, targeting the entire US. I would greatly appreciate your guidance on the following aspects: bidding strategy. Given the nature of the industry and the budget constraint, what would be the most effective bidding strategy to maximize ROI and visibility? Conversion tracking. Can I consider the thank you page, which appears post sale, as a conversion event with a value of 100? This corresponds to the average revenue generated per design sale. Number three, ad group structure. Would it be more beneficial to create multiple ad groups targeting different keywords or focus on a single ad group with varied ad copies? I'm also making it bigger so like everyone can read it easily. Number four is side link extensions. Is it as advisable to start with four side link extensions to provide additional navigational options for users? Thank you in advance for your valuable insights and recommendations. So first of all, thank you for asking this question. So it's a basically a search ad campaign on Google Ads for online graphic designing industry. So the daily budget set at $200 for entire US would be, a dollar 200 is actually nothing much, but it's as a market wise. But as a business, I can understand that this could be a big amount for marketing or advertising. So we have to look around at certain aspects. Okay. So for bidding strategy, first of all, for a campaign strategy, you know, if it's you can also create local search ads campaigns for Google Map. Okay, but that is only beneficial in case if you have a physical presence. I'm not sure if you have a physical presence or not, but in case if you do not have a physical presence, you can also spend money on retargeting. That could also be generating good sales. So that could be another campaign strategy where you can look around. So US would be too big, and I would say that we can target the top 30 regions or the top 20 cities to see the results. So that would be my ideal strategy to run around. Now for the bidding strategy, for new campaigns, I always recommend maximize clicks, and after we get 20 to 30 conversions, my bidding strategy will be maximize conversions. So yeah, that could be my bidding strategy. So for your second question, conversion tracking, can I consider the thank you page which appears to post sale as a conversion event? Yeah, you can, and you can provide value of 100 because you see that that is your average value generated per design rate. Yeah, fine, you can do it. Number third is ad group structure. Would it be more beneficial to create multiple ad groups targeting different keywords or focus on a single ad group with varied ad copies? So my recommendation first of all is a big no to single ad group. Okay, I believe that with every keyword the intent is different. The user is have a different mindset in his in his mind when he or she is making a particular search query on Google. So the intent differs. So rather creating a big ad group, uh, because you have multiple ad groups. Every keyword has a different keyword intent, and you are targeting multiple ad copies to him who has a different intent for each query. No, I do not think that this could generate good sales. You need to understand the intent when user is searching a particular query, and you can target it through your ad. So my recommendation is to have as much as possible different ad groups, and then for each ad group you can have a different ads copies, uh, catering to the intent through which user is searching for that query. Your next is side link extension. Is it advisable to start with four side link extensions to provide additional navigational option for users? Yeah, that is very good. You can also add side link descriptions, promo and coupon extension, that can have be a very helpful. You just get very targeted when they see a particular deal running on. Review extension and calls as well. Okay, if you add up these strategies, this can increase the chance of more sales, more conversions for your business. So I hope this answers your query. Once again, thank you for watching. If you are looking to get an awesome amazing Google Ads campaign and looking for a professional help, me and my team can help you. All you have to do is to click on one of the link in the description to get started working with us. Once again, thank you for watching, and take care. Bye bye.